What's up, you guys? This is Brittany, and I am showing you guys a quick updo on short hair. I'm using black gel, and then I'm using the Style Factor Edge Booster. These two together, the Style Booster actually leaves a white residue. So I used the black gel and a brush while my hair was wet, and I slicked it down and wrapped it up. The next clip, you will see my hair and see how short it is. As you can see, it's kind of short there, not too much, but I was able to slick it into a ponytail. It's not the best ponytail, but after I did that, I sprayed it with some free spray and I wrapped it up, made a couple of edges, and it's not all the way good at the in the back because it's not really that long, but it looks okay. So this is some, yucky hair, braiding hair, $1.99 from my local beauty supply store. I had previously used it, so this is me using it for the second day in a row. I take the rubber band that's already on it and I wrap it around the little ball that I have on my head, and then I take the hair and then I wrap it, just roll it, roll it to make my top knots, and I just roll it all the way down, and I keep rolling it until when it starts to roll up, I start twisting it. And as you can see, I'm still rolling it as I'm twisting it. And I just keep rolling it, and once I'm done rolling to the end of the yucky hair, braiding hair, I just put it underneath the last little knot, and pretty much that's it. As you can see, next I'm gonna get like a bobby pin so that I can secure it, but this is what it looks like, you guys. um it's a quick hairdo on short hair. My hair is semi relaxed. I just picked up a bobby pin I had on the floor, messy beauty room, and I just put it in there, and as you can see, this is what it looks like. It looks really cute. It's a $2 hairstyle because I already had the brown gel, I already had the Style Factor, and I just had to buy me some $1.99 braiding hair, and that was it, you guys. So let me know if you like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.